Oh, I spun out. Wow. AAA Superstock coming up next. I got a new car. I got the brand new MR04 LM. So if you saw my live video from here, LM has now been set up for racing. Time to get some upgrades going on my new MR04 LM Mazda 787B. I've got some parts from before and some new parts. So I plan on running this in AAA Superstock. So I'm going to be putting in X-Speed motor. I will be eventually putting in the oil-filled shock, although I don't think I'm going to do it on day one. I've got 2 more of the T-plates from when I bought this originally. You get 3 different sizes or thicknesses in this kit. Softer rear tire, this is going to be the most important thing. I'm going to do softer rear tire as well as tape them on the wheel, because once I put the faster speed motor in, it's potential that I could be spinning the tire on the rim. Tonight, I think the key things I'm going to do: softer tire, faster motor, get a transponder in, which is not here yet. It's going to show up at the hobby shop when I get there. And yeah, we'll be able to see this run in AAA Superstock with more speed than stock for the first time. Whoops, as my transponder ejects itself, I gotta get a better stick on that. So we're heading into the mains. I'm currently holding 3rd in A. I have done a couple of changes to the car over the 3 qualifiers. I've been back and forth on what I want to run. So we are at a 20 shore rear. I'm on a box stock front. I've got the purple springs front. I have the upgraded motor on. I'm running the medium-sized T-plate. This is how I was able to get it around the track. It's working pretty well. I would like to be able to run a oil-filled shock. I can't figure out how to mount it. We're going to have to figure that out later. So, heading up for the mains next, starting in P3. I also forgot to mention I made one change to the disc damper, so I've added a little bit of grease under there. I don't know what weight I was given. It's a mystery oil, but it's a little bit thicker than chalk oil, that's for sure. So we've got a little bit of grease under the disc damper, and yeah, we'll see how we do in this A main race. The thing is, my lenses kept popping out of the front from hard impacts. There's only 2 little clips that hold those light lenses in, so I'm gonna have to try and glue those in. So we'll try and come up with a solution for that without totally muddying the lenses. All right, here we go. AAA Superstock A main. This is the debut of the new MR04 LM. With the upgrades I mentioned in the intro, we'll see if we can get around okay. I went back up to the 7-tooth pinion. Oh, the speed is back. Heck yeah. Look out, Crosser, the speed is back.
He's gonna crash more.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, 6-tooth sucks. We're back up to a 7. It really gets that X-Speed motor feeling good.
Smells good off.
Qualified 3rd in the A. My Q1 was my best run, and then I geared down and I screwed up, so now I'm geared back up and it feels better. Oh, I spun out. Wow. Ah. I'm coming 2nd. I gotta be careful coming on the power. I can spin out. Oh. It's feeling fast and good, but hard to hold the fast line. Ah.
After 9 minutes, the top drivers are sitting in first place with 9 laps, followed by John Kennedy in second place with 9 laps, followed by Warren in third place with 9 laps, followed by Chris Keys in fourth place with 7 laps.
Ah, forgot to turn. Oh no. I think Lauren might have taken that. Might have been for position with the yellow Corvette. Gonna have to try and pass him again. I think he got ahead of me because we were on the same lap, I do believe.
After 2 minutes, the top drivers are sitting in first place with 19 laps.
Oh,
Followed by Warren in second
yeah,
place
Warren's
with
in second.
19 laps.
That was for position.
John Kennedy in third place with 19 laps. Followed by Chris G.
Oh, he got caught. He got wedged. Back up into 2 again. That was Chris Groover driving around me like I'm going backwards, but he's a couple laps down. Got caught on the walls a few times. When he doesn't get caught, he's fast. Are you in first, Steve? What? Go here then. Oh, oh no! This is. I'm in a battle for position with Lauren. Oh.
The top drivers are sitting in first second place with 28 laps. Followed by Warren in third place with 28 laps. Followed by Chris G in fourth place with 26 laps.
I'm pretty sure we're on the same lap.
Yeah, I think so. Gordon and John are on the same lap.
Oh.
Yeah, something's wrong with
Oh no! Body popped.
Yeah.
Check his body. Oh no!
Crack body.
Oh.
Yeah. I need 2 bodies now. Finish to the point.
1 minute after 4 minutes, 1 second. The top drivers are sitting in first place with 40 laps.
Well, that's Chris Groover now getting two laps back.
38 laps.
Oh!
Followed by Chris G in third place with 37 laps.
Pull it off.
Followed by Warren in fourth place with 36 laps.
Yeah. I thought it'd be big to full laps, but get in another place. John and Chris are on the same lap?
Ooh. Groover? Yeah, yeah. Right, sorry. There's only one Chris in this race, I forgot. So he's looking to lap me right now? Or that's...
You're in second with 47 laps. Chris, you're third with 47 laps.
Oh, I got clipped. Oh, did he get it back? Yeah, he got me on the last friggin' lap. Man, you came back strong, buddy.
That's because I got stuck.
I know, you got, but yeah, you got parked there and then you still came back and whooped me. All right.
You're gonna hate that LM car, eh?
Hate, are you,
You're gonna.
why?
Square corners.
Oh. I don't hate it, but it's popped the lenses off a couple times. Anyway, that was the first race with the MR04 LM. It handles nice, although it's on the slick tires, and the slick tires don't handle as well on this rough surface. So it's a little bit of a handful. Every now and then you try and pull on power. I have a maybe 100% negative exponential on the throttle right now to get it going. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.